USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here. Subscribe, like, and click the bell notification. Below the video you'll find a link. It says swing trading on automation. So click on this first link and come to this page. Watch the results for last 5 years. How much can you make with your money? And this is on automation. What it is. Swing trading on automation. I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading of daily chart. Okay, you will not hear that from anybody else. Swing trading on automation, not 5 minutes, not 15 minutes. Swing trading on higher time frames, that too automated. Okay, first human on the planet to do that. Go and check this out. And coming back below here, you will find a Telegram link. You can join Telegram as well if you want, and subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are going down. Rejection. So we have not been able to break the EMI. So we are still down in the downtrend. Coming back to daily time frame. Daily, this was your uptrend. That's over. Okay. So this was your uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Then uptrend is over because all this uptrend was eaten by this downtrend. Okay. So all these blue candles were eaten by these red candles. So we are in the new downtrend. Then we are in the pullback. So pullback has happened. Engulfing candle, engulfing candle has happened. Okay, this was your new downtrend. Understand? Sexy pullback until 78%, maybe 68% or 61% rather. So this, and then we go down. Okay, if you want more confirmation, then wait for the red candle to close below the EMA. If you're not sure here, because the price still above the EMA and we can go up, that's possible. But if you want more confirmation, then in daily time frame, wait for the red candle to close below the EMA. That's your freaking confirmation that we will continue going down. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, we got what we got. Okay, that's your new trend. So you see new downtrend, then pullback, and then new. Now here is the key. Okay, so here we have to wait for the candle to break below the EMA. Okay, and then this is your new. This will be too late. Okay, so if you enter sell right now, you could exit right here. But I will trade as per daily time frame. That is why I have automated daily swing trading as well, because you always have the chance to lose money on 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, even on 4 hour you will lose the money. Trust me on that. Okay, yeah. So coming back to daily time frame. If I would be you, I will see the price action here rather. So this is your uptrend, pullback, new high, but that new high is useless because that trend is over, eaten by these red candles. Okay, then new pullback, and then we're supposed to create a new low. Okay, so look for shorts because dollar is also overall weak. You have to consider the market insights as well. That dollar overall is in the downtrend or very weak right now dollar. So dollar pairs will go down, right? So USDCAD is supposed to go down, but you can choose to trade GBP USD, Euro USD as well. Go and watch my videos on that, and then you can decide which pair you not do trading for. And then that's it. So that's all I have for you for now. So subscribe, like, and click on the first link below. Swing trading and automation. Come and check out the results for the last 5 years. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.